Hello everybody, I am going to try today Esh Haza Paint Remover. We're going to check it a little bit, remove the cap, shaky shaky shaky, then we're going to spray this area, remove all that of paint. As you can see, it is immediately, wow, that is strong. Woo. Okay, I think that's enough. I'm gonna remove this over here. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at the paint, it's gone. Oh, okay. The other area. Woo. It's removed. This very very strong area here, and all this. Woo. Oh my God, that is good. Paint remover works well, but we need a better fabric. At least this is gone. Wow, that is nice. Okay,